So if this is recording, that was Winchester Cathedral, and we're about 5 minutes away from the government alarm going off. I never got a notification last year, 2 years ago when they did it last, and I'm guessing it's because my phone is on LTE rather than 4G, but apparently that is a part of 4G, and apparently they knew how many people didn't get it. So let's see today if I get it. We're about 5 minutes away now, so I thought I'd come to a busy place. And hopefully it'll carry on recording when it goes off. Pretty sure I've ridden down here before. Yeah, I have, yeah. Maybe not, yeah. Don't know how far down I came.
Unlike when you've got some of the chemical tan, 90% of the looks chemical tan, when that gets older, it looks tatty. When this gets older, it looks...
Das sind so die typischen Angebote.
Three minutes. Yeah, £25. Two minutes. My mobile data's on.
Probably.
1 minute. Sorry. Okay, so everyone else's is starting to go off. Alright, so a few people's have gone off. Oh, I did get it this time then. This is a test of emergency alerts, a UK government service that will warn you if there is a life-threatening emergency nearby. You do not need to take any action. In a real emergency, follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Please find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk. Prepare. Visit gov.uk alerts for more information or to view this message in Welsh. Emergency alerts whilst roaming is currently turned on. Tap view to view the emergency alert that has been received, or tap settings to turn off this alert function. Well, I clicked view and it just locked my phone up, so, but at least I got it, so that's a good thing. King Alfred down there. Well, I guess I'm going to head home now because I went to go in McDonald's but I've forgotten my wallet. So can't really do much today in Winchester.